first is Wiz. Wiz, tell us what you have.
And what I have is a cup of water that's extremely full. It's about to overflow. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a constant force onto the cup, and we're going to watch what happens. So, yeah. So, as you can see, when I applied a constant force onto the cup, it overflowed, and this was because of Newton. This applies to Newton's first law because, as Newton said, when you have an object that is at a certain motion, which this cup was stationary and at rest, when you apply a force onto that object, it is going to resist that change, and it's going to want to stay at its constant motion. So when I applied a force to the water inside the cup wanted to remain at rest, which is why it spilled and overflowed and made a mess of my dining room table. And here's Hannah with our next experiment.
Hi Toby, so it's your turn to try the experiment of inertia. So I'm going to give you 2 cups and you're going to hit both of them and see which one falls over. One of them is going to be full with treats and the other one is going to be empty. So the conclusion here is that after Toby hit the empty and the full cups, the full one stayed standing because it had more mass than the one that was empty.
Thanks, Hannah. So I'm going to do another demonstration known as the egg drop. So here I have a glass of water that I dyed green, so it's easier to see, a pie tin, and a cup. So on the solo cup, I'm going to put my raw egg, there we go, and I'm going to slap the pie tin out, and it will bring the cup with it. But the egg will want to stay in place. But because we have gravity, the egg will drop into the cup. Sure that's even, yeah. All right. So let's see if I can do this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, okay. So as you just saw, the egg stayed in place because my hand did not act on it, pushing it that direction. But gravity brought it down. Now it's time for Stella to show you our last example using her breakfast.
Thanks for that demonstration, Bex. So now I'm going to show how eggs can demonstrate inertia in this demo called egg roll. So I have 2 eggs. I have my hard-boiled egg and I have my raw egg. So on this hard surface, I'm going to spin both of the eggs, and then after a second, I'm just going to quickly stop them, and I'm going to let them go again. So we see the raw egg, it keeps spinning, because the liquid inside the raw egg is still in motion. Because these liquid contents inside the egg keep spinning, therefore the egg spins. And this force, where the egg contents which are already spinning continue to spin, that's called inertia.